right, don't know if I have the storage space, but in this little hall tunnel, it sounds nice. So, well, my son said to sing Me Ever After by MOE. I'm pretty sure I have this on the page already, but whatever, I'm gonna just go for it and hopefully I don't run out of storage space. And it's not that loud, but whatever. Today is tomorrow's past, but I ask myself if this will pass, 'cause there is no straight answer why we cry tears caused by laughter. So I write my own fairy tale to be happily and stay happily me ever after. I vow to be here, vow to be strong, and to take care of me ever after. Oh yeah, yeah. And nothing will stop or tear apart or come between me ever after. There is a sign of great things to come, a promise ever made and never undone. I know the pain of chasing the sun, then pray for the rain to soften my heart. 'Cause there is no straight answer why a book is marked by a chapter. So I wrote my own fairy tale to be happily and stay happily me ever after. Oh yeah, and nothing will stop or tear apart or come between me ever after.